Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing a full guide on how to schedule a live broadcast on Instagram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 3. Tap the plus icon at the top. Step 4. Tap Live. Step 5. Tap Schedule on the left. Step 6. Enter a video title and select a start time. Step 7. Tap Done. Step 8. Tap Schedule Live Video at the bottom. Step 9. If you want to share your scheduled live broadcast, tap Share and select how you would like to share it. Posts and stories you share will include the title and start time of your live broadcast, and an option to set a reminder for people who want to see your live broadcast. Your soonest scheduled live broadcast will appear on your profile below your profile picture. Tap it to share, edit, or cancel it. You'll receive a notification reminding you about your scheduled live broadcast 24 hours and 15 minutes before the time you selected. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily schedule a live broadcast on Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.